Right, so the question is, has it chewed the cogs up? Well, obviously not, otherwise this would not have been turning, as you saw. And it was turning smoothly, it didn't suddenly jump into one position or another. So I'm assuming that the cogs are actually okay. So how does that get out of position? Well, the manual describes how to set it up when it does go out of position. So I'm assuming that it can happen for some reason or other. Maybe that is something to do with the memory. I don't know. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is reposition this according to the manual, which requires undoing this bush which connects the shaft to the motor drive. Okay, actually that's a potentiometer, or two potentiometers there. So the motor drives cogs and drives that potentiometer, or double gang potentiometer, and the shaft of the potentiometer then goes through this linkage and drives the capacitor. Now, it doesn't appear to be loose, but maybe it is. But no, it can't be. It's not loose. I'm sure it's not loose. And yet something has slipped. Maybe it is loose, but I haven't pushed it hard enough. Maybe the bearing in the capacitor gets seized up so badly that it shifts on the drive, on the shaft. I don't know. But I'm going to now reset this one. This one's okay. I'm going to reset this one. That resistor, variable resistor, has got to be in the center. So if I put this back to fully closed on the shaft, tighten it up again, then I should be able to make small adjustments with the resistor if necessary after trying it out. Failing that, I'm thinking that there's something wrong with the resistor. I'm going to try this first, because that's easy to recorrect. It's completely 180 degrees out, as you can see. It should be the same as this one. Right, so that's what we're going to do next. As I say to you, this is an absolute nightmare to get apart. You've got to be ever so careful, because you can pull out any of these connections around here. And that's fact, this little blue wire is a light up in there, and that had got pulled out on here, I noticed. I wonder why it all gone a bit dark, but there we are. So you've got to be very careful when you do it, and it needs a lot of time, very time consuming, and you need a lot of patience, and you have to be a good day before you do it, because otherwise I think you might throw it through the window, to be honest. So anyway, I'll do another video showing it actually working, hopefully. Bye for now.